And looking at different van situations, we have the new Dreamer Select with the new Fiat Ducato standard chassis called the Dreamer Family Van Select, and with the final price of 79,770 for this interesting looking design. And we have an additional sitting area, so you can actually drive 5 people. Checking out if I'm correct. Yeah, so actually you can drive and sit 5 people with the actual sitting hooked up right up there. And getting inside, so you can understand that this is a pretty well designed actual seating, where you get also a slide out, so you have more space, and wide table with additional seating right down there. And then we have the new Fiat Ducato chassis, automatic climate control, Pioneer radio and camera, and digital dashboard with all the amenities. On the upper part we are finding the actual drop down bed is actually pretty long, and from this part open cabinets with speaker and volume settings. On this part we have the Struma iNet and actual control unit, additional speaking unit, and then we have this wide kitchen with pretty large cabinets. Yep, they are pretty large. And then there is a slide out for your bottles, not seen in camper vans of 6 meters. On the upper part we have one large cabinet, and on this part we have the actual bathroom, and this is it's a slide out. Yep, it's a slide out. Well, that's pretty nice. Wide shower unit, and then sliding back sink, Tedford cassette toilet, and a lot of cabinets. Yeah, pretty much a lot of cabinets with sliding door. On this part, well, we have a pretty deep cabinet unit, and also we have under another cabinet unit. And from this part, and weirdly positioned fridge, but we have the Tedford, actually pretty deep, 133 liters with also, yeah, freezer. And on the back, the great show, two, well, mostly for kids beds, and I will be measuring this bed so you get an understanding from side to side. It's about 1.7, and on the lower it will be also approximately 1.7. But yes, there is an additional bedding, so you can make an additional bed right up here, so you can almost fit and sit 6 people sleeping inside. So getting on the back, you understand this is our mattresses for the bedding on the front, and then from the back you have slightly less space on the actual garage, with a space of approximately 1.161, and on the lower part 503. Not the best, but this is the solution that they are making when getting this design for a camper van under 6 meters long. And this is the 2025 edition.